Hello everyone, welcome to SQL session. Today's session is about union and union all in SQL. First I am going to select department code and department name from department table. The syntax is select department code comma department name from department. I am going to select the statement and going to execute. Now you can see department table contains 4 records and the records are the first one department code 1001 and the department name HR, 1002 finance, 1003 IT and 1004 communication. Now I am going to select department code and department name from department backup table. I am going to select this statement and going to paste it here, and instead of department table I am going to give department backup table. I am going to select both the statements and going to execute. Now you can see department backup table contains 2 records, 1001 HR and 1002 finance. Now I am going to apply union for these 2 tables. So first I am going to select these 2 statements and going to paste it here. So here I am selecting department code and department name from department. Then I am going to apply union. The syntax is union, then the second select statement, that is select department code and department name from department backup table. When we apply union, we will get only distinct records and it will eliminate all the duplicate records. So consider this case. Here department and department backup table contains 1001 HR and 1002 finance. So when we apply union, we will get only distinct records. So 1001 HR, it will take only once, and 1002 finance also it will take only once. 1003 IT and 1004 communication exists only in the department table and it will take that record also. So when we apply union and once we execute these 2 statements, we will get only 4 records. We will see that one. I am going to execute the statement. Now you can see I got only 4 records and the records are 1001 HR, 1002 finance, 1003 IT and 1004 communication. So it eliminates the 2 records. Records are 1001 HR and 1002 finance in the department backup table. Now I am going to add one record in department backup table. Here 1003 IT exists in department table. I am going to add IT in the department backup table. Instead of 1003, I am going to give 1004 IT. Now I am going to execute the select statements. Now you can see department backup table contains 3 records. In the first table, that is in the department table, the department code 1003 and the department name is IT, and department backup table 1004 IT. Now I am going to apply union for these two tables and we will see how many records we will get. Now you can see I got 5 records. Here 1003 IT and 1004 IT, because it's selected the distinct records, because here department code 1003 and here it is 1004, but the department name is same. Now I am going to change the department code from 1004 to 1003. Now I am going to execute the union statements. Now we will see how many records we will get. Now you can see I got 4 records only. So when we apply union for example, in this case, union for 2 tables, then we will get only the distinct records and it will eliminate all the duplicate records. You can apply union for 2 tables or more than 2 tables. For example, I have one more table. I am going to create one more table. Department old, now a new table is created, that is department old. Okay, now I am going to apply union here. Union, then I am going to select department code and department name from department old. And I am going to execute these statements and I got only 4 records. So you can apply union for 2 tables or more than 2 tables. Next, we will see the union all statement. So here I am going to copy these statements and going to paste it here. So first I have one select statement. I am selecting department code and department name from department table and I am going to apply union all. The syntax is union all. Then the second select statement. I am selecting department code and department name from department backup table. When we apply union all, we will get all the records from the tables. So in this case, I am using only 2 tables. So I will get all the records from both the tables. There is a chance of duplicate entries if same record exists in both the tables. I am going to select these statements and going to execute. Now you can see HR, that is department code 1001 HR repeated, 1002 finance repeated, 1003 IT also repeated, and 1004 communication exists only in the department table. Union all also you can apply for 2 tables or more than 2 tables. If you want to apply again union all, then give the union all here, then give the next statement. I'm going to give department all. Now I am going to select these statements and going to execute. Now you can see first 4 records from the department table, next 3 records from the department backup table, and next 4 records from the department old table. So when we apply union all, we will get all the records from the tables, and there is a chance of duplicate entries if same entry exists in, for example, 2 tables, then it will take the duplicate entries from both the tables. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.